Orlando Pirates players akusisikhathi sokulose form lesi. You can't tell me you perform against AmaZulu then you struggle against Kaizer Chiefs. Ozwenapolis, I was very disappointed in Ozwenapolis namhlanje. That guy is a contender for a player of the season. Mara nibonile izinto azenzile namhlanje. Kuna la athola ihleka chance. Ufuna ukukhatha angazi nokuthi bekayenzani or bese kabona iCape Town angazi. Uzama ukukhatha inibhola lapha yana uluza ibhola. Ozwenapolis namhlanje akadlalanga kahle. Urilebohile Mfukeng sharp bebamakile izinto zakhe bezini libone siyema. I was so disappointed. Ulibone siyema sekahlula iDerby. Ulibone siyema uhlula iChiefs. Unkosinathi Sibisi angifuni nokukhuluma. Unkosinathi Sibisi angifuni Unkosinathi Sibisi uyangicasula bafethu. All Pirates needs to do ukuthi balande lo mfana lo uSesani a replace uSibisi. Sibisi ahlale benchini. uSibisi akangayina ku World Cup. uSibisi ibhodlela eliphukayo kwamampela. Umbobo unkosinathi Sibisi nalela goal eliphumile where was he? Ulibone siyema watching. uDuba uya attack ulibone siyema ubhekelele iChiefs yazi yakora. So ama player we Orlando Pirates need to understand how important the league is to us ama support. Yithi sithenga amatikiti, yithi seyitida, yithi sihlale ebusuku sibhekelele lamabhola lamanyala abawadlalayo sometimes. Orlando Pirates players must all pull up their socks. Ozwenapolis akusisikhathi sokulose form lesi. Play against Chiefs dlala kahle. Tsebang Muremi kumele uqine ndoda. Leyo ukuthi wena sozoloko bakukhathela kancane or ukhaba phansi inyawo liyaphuma. We need you. We need every player at their best at this stage of the season. Orlando Pirates, I'm very disappointed because a draw against Kaizer Chiefs is a loss for us. Bayo celebrate and usipaphelisa ngama-support e-Chiefs. So bhekana nama-security manje lemafletini. Bosiphaphela basitshele the way Pirates, what. Yekani kusijwayeza ngabantu, anwini namagame abalulekile.